Okay, so hello and welcome everyone. Today we will complete deploy and manage cloud environment with Google Cloud Challenge for 100 days of Google Cloud Challenge. It will end very soon at October to complete as soon as possible. And this is your fifth challenge skill, and I have a file to complete this. So we will follow every steps one by one and let's see we can do or not. Okay, so let's click on start lab. We have our monthly subscription plan, so just go ahead with it. Click on this username. Okay, by default it is there. Paste down the password. This is just a temporary one. Once everything is okay, we can proceed. Okay, we need to accept one more something terms and condition, like something there is. Yeah, it is here now. Just select it, click on again continue, and just wait a few seconds, and after a few seconds it is okay, I think. So deploy and manage cloud environment with Google Cloud Challenge Lab, and here is deploy and manage cloud environment with. So we just go through this lab. Okay, task 1, we have task 1, create in the production environment. So let's see, is it there? Yeah, create in production environment. So it says search compute engine. We will search the compute engine. Just copy that word and paste down on the search bar and click first link. I think they have made some instance for us in this lab. Yeah, it is here. Wait, what happened? Yeah, cross this, no need of tutorial. Yeah, and hide this panel, and now click on accesses of the last instance jump post. Yeah, this is the jump host. Yeah, something like that. Just click on, we need to connect our VM instance with SSH. Let's see. Yeah, connect, or it will take few seconds to establish the server connection. Just wait few seconds more. Yeah, it is done. Now what to do next? Run these commands. Okay, we'll run these commands. Just copy this command together and paste it here and press once enter. Now we have this command, we have to run it single, press enter. Yeah, I think it will take some time. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes or what. I think it is going to take some minutes, so we need to wait. Once this will be done, we can run our next code. Just wait on this interface. So as you can see, it is now completed. So copy the next line of the code, and it will set the zone to US is to 1 and run this. It is updated. Now copy this whole command together and paste it here and press enter button. Okay, this will take few minutes. Okay, creating a cluster is really lengthy work, so it will take about 1 to 2 minutes. So just wait. Once it is done, and we have to go with 1 2 3 4, we have to go through this 3 more commands and our task 1 will be completed. So let's move to the task 1. Click on this. Okay. So create the production environment, and after running this 3 line of code, our production environment will be ready, and we can check this production environment to green button. So wait a few minutes. So all right, it is done now. Okay, so we need to run this code, copy this, paste down here, and done. Now once more we need to move to the directory, just paste it here. We changed our directory. Now copy this line and paste. Okay, sorry. We have changed our line, but it doesn't work. Yeah, it is okay now. And now copy this line. Let's see. Done. Great. Let's check out. No, it says result, but we have run our code, everything fine. Check it progress, then move forward. Okay, it means we need to check, keep on checking. This is tax 1. Yeah, this one is tax 1. We need to wait few minutes more, I think. What's the problem there? Yeah, 10 points is still remaining. Yeah, done. So everything is good. Now we'll move to the tax 2. For the tax 2, just run this code, copy this code, and just run it here. Okay, once it is done, copy this code, paste it here. Sorry, this doesn't work. Remove this one, paste it here, press enter. Just wait a few seconds and it will be done. It is a little bit slow. I think this is our internet problem. Okay, now we need to search monitoring to create alerting policy. Okay, just copy this word and you can type it also here, no problem. Just click on the monitoring. Yeah, monitoring. Now we have to click on alerting tab. Where is alerting tab? Here is alerting tab. Just left means we have to click on create policy. Click create policy and click to add condition. Create policy. Okay, now we need to click on add condition. Okay, add condition. This host type is VM instance. Okay, it is VM instance. For matrix type we have to use CPU utilization. Yeah, great. CPU utilization, second option. Yeah, click on filter. Okay, we just click on filter, and what to do in filter? Click on filter, select instance name and give the name as, okay, just copy this name. You have to search instance name. Here is instance name and give the name as something like this. Click on apply button and threshold is 50 and just scroll down and threshold should be 50 and now it is done. Okay, so it is done. Click on add. Now click on the next button, channel notification. We have to click on manage channel notification. Yeah, it is written there. Next icon next to the channel notification. Okay, and we should give the email. Okay, we need to add here email. Just scroll down, here is email address. Click on this email and what should be the email? Email will be something like username. This is username. And what should the display name? And what should the display name? Display name, you can give my name Siman Shah, or you can write your name also, there is no problem. And now click on save button. Yeah, once it is done, again check and refresh button next to your name. Okay, we should go back to this tab and click on the refresh button, and now you can see my name and click on OK. So it is done now. Once it is done, and we should set the loading name as okay. So click on next. What should the loading name? Loading name should be something like this. And once it is done, check your progress. Okay, so everything is done. Click on save. Wait a few minutes. Let the policy be created. The policy is enabled. Now we should check our progress for step 2. Yeah, nice. Now we should move for the task 3. For the task 3, there they have mentioned for task 3, activate the cloud shell. We need to activate the cloud shell. There is no need of this SSH, but you can just keep out cross this one, no problem. Okay, to activate the cloud shell, click on this icon. Here is activate cloud shell, it says. And now click on the continue button, and it will provide Google Cloud Shell interface, so where you can run our every codes, that is the terminal, you can say something like terminal. Okay, now we have activated our cloud shell. Once it is activated, run this code. Okay, run this code, click on authorize. Okay, once it is done, we need to run this second code. Okay, after this run this third one. Wait, okay, good. Now just run this fourth one. Yeah, done. Now click on the web preview button for the port. Okay, after 30 seconds. Okay, we need to wait about 30 seconds. Just wait for a few seconds. Once it is done, we have to click on this preview web preview button, and we have to take a preview at this port. Yeah, there is only 800 ports, and we will do the further step now. I think we can go. Okay, just click on this port, preview on the port 8080, and okay, spin Korea, it is loading. Okay, now good. Okay, now click on where done. Okay, application, just click on this application tab, and then sample button, I mean the sample tab next to it. And once it is, click on pipeline. One pipeline must be running. Okay, it says one pipeline must be running. Let's see. Yeah, this is running here. If in your case you can't see this pipeline, better to wait 30 seconds or 1 minute than just go for this step. Okay, after this, and click on yellow button to continue, but we haven't. Okay, so no any yellow button, just click on this manual execution, click on run, and wait few seconds. Okay, just wait, just keep on waiting, and a man will appear in yellow button here. Just you have to click on continue. Yeah, they have mentioned something like this: point mouse arrow to the yellow man and click continue. Once finished, run this code. Okay, we have to run some codes. Once it is done, okay, just wait few seconds more. So guys, we can see here our element is now appeared after 6 minutes. It took around 6 minutes to appear this element. Just point your mouse button over this element. Okay, and click on this continue button. I need to wait some. Okay, it's, yeah, so it's working. Just wait for I think we need to wait some minute, 1 minute, at least 1 minute. At least we need to wait for 1 minute. We need to wait at least 1 minute. Okay, so this is done once, and another is it is still running. And so what they have mentioned, once finished, which one? I think they are talking about let's finish this both one. This PUB and SUB is automatically appeared. I want to run this. Okay, you just run the single one, deploy it, it will come automatically. Do the same thing for both of the deployment and wait a few seconds, and it will complete in a few seconds. Yeah, I've just spent here about 7 minutes on this page. I think it is going to be 8 minutes. So it is done. Okay, it is done. 1 2 3, go ahead, quick, come on. Why it is taking long time? Okay, it will be done, I know, very soon. Okay, we can go ahead. Yeah, it is finished. So do it, bro. Yeah, okay, everything is finished. We have got the status service. Now we can move to run this code. Once finished, just run this code. Where do we have to run this code? We have to run this code cloud. Okay, run these codes for the cloud shell. Copy once more the next one and paste it here. Just few seconds. Yeah, good. Just paste and now copy this whole code and it there. Press enter button and it is done now. What they mention, if you not solve, okay, it is solved, not what, if not worked, refresh, manual execution, select and deploy. Okay, so there it is written that wait till finished. So we just waited here, and if even or the task this is not going to happen, then we have to do the same thing once again. It says please push a new update tag in the sample repository, which results in the automatic deployment of the new build. Okay, we have done everything, but it is still not working. Why it is still not working? So if it doesn't work, refresh manual execution, select deploy and run. It says to deploy and run, start manual execution, select deploy and run. But I think if you keep on waiting, it will be done, or you can do that one. Just spend 1 2 3 4 5 minutes more. If it is not done, then just repeat this step. It should be done. Okay, we should click on start manual execution, or click on this run button, select deploy and click on run. Okay, just doing the same thing once again, which we have done it already, but again we're doing, because it's not getting the score, we're not getting these scores. And once it is done, we need to run this code once again. Okay, click on continue. Okay, just wait. You can examine everything, save detail, what's going on there. Yeah, you can read everything here. I don't want to read anything here. Just we need to complete this as soon as it is possible. But it's not working. Let's copy this code and just wait. Okay, it is done now. Okay, now let's run it once again. Yeah, everything is uploaded and it should be 100%. Why it's not working? Okay, just keep on trying the same thing. I know we need to wait few minutes. It must work. Let's take a little bit time. We need to wait 1 2 3 4 5 or 6 minutes long. I need a bit. I know. Just wait few minutes. Why it's not working? It should work, bro. Now cd sample app, downloading sample app. So copy this touch, paste it, type there double or anything. Just now it is something like commenting, and once again copy this code. Okay, here is the problem. What's the problem? It is we have to replace the student. I think we need to replace here. No, we don't need to replace here. We don't need to replace here. I think nothing mentioned here. Username student, commit change. No need to replace it here. Okay, let's run it once again. Yeah, it says everything is up to date, but it doesn't work here. Yeah, it said everything is up to date, but it's not working. Okay, keep on checking.